Welcome to the CARE Courses course navigation tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to navigate through the course, use the course interface, and submit your work for grading. In the upper right corner of your account, you will find your name and student ID number. In the center of your screen is the current section title. The previous and next section titles are displayed in smaller text. Advance through the course by clicking Next. Click back to return to the previous section. Select Click to view all course sections to access the course's navigation menu. Use the menu to navigate to sections you have unlocked. Sections are unlocked once you have viewed them using the Next button. Unlocked sections have black text, while locked sections have grayed out text. Use the menu to review content, particularly while working on the assessments. Ready to take a break? Click Return to My Courses to return to the My Courses area of your account. When you come back to your course, you will be asked if you would like to resume where you left off. Clicking Yes will take you to the last section you viewed. Clicking No will take you to the beginning of the course. Want to bookmark a particular section? Use the green bookmark icon to bookmark up to one section at a time. Bookmark sections will appear with the green icon in the navigation menu. The next time you return to your course, you'll be given the choice of resuming where you left off or returning to your bookmarked section. Remember, you can always use the course navigation menu to return to any unlocked sections, including where you left off. Click Documents to access all downloadable course documents. Click Contact My Trainer to send us questions or provide feedback. We will respond via email using the email address in your account. Later in the course, you will see discussion area buttons on some sections. Discussion areas include a prompt and an area for you to post. Check out what other students have written and post your replies. Having trouble reading the screen? Press Ctrl and plus at the same time on your keyboard to enlarge the reading area. Press Ctrl and minus to minimize the reading area. This course has multiple choice quiz questions and written assessments. You do not need to complete and answer them in one sitting. Make sure you are connected to the internet the entire time you are taking the course. This will ensure your progress is automatically saved. You can also manually save your answers by clicking Save Progress. A blue icon will appear next to assessments in the navigation menu when you have answered all questions and saved your answers. If any questions are skipped or left unanswered, a yellow icon will appear. Quizzes are open book, so if you're having trouble with a particular question, save your progress and return to review the relevant course section. Click on the blue and yellow icons in the navigation menu to return directly to the assessments. Once you have completed all assessments, the Submit for Grading button will turn from gray to green. To submit your work, click the green Submit for Grading button and complete all of the submission steps. Clicking Submit for Grading on the final page of the submission steps will submit your work to CARE Courses for grading. Please do not hesitate to contact us for support at techsupport@carecourses.com. Thank you so much for watching and happy studying.